To generate random numbers, select Data, then choose Data Analysis, and then select Random Number Generation in the Data Analysis dialog box. Then click OK. In the Number of Variables box, enter the number of columns containing the random numbers that will be generated. For this example, 2 variables will be generated, so the number 2 is entered in the Number of Variables box. In the Number of Random Numbers box, enter the number of random numbers to be generated in each column. For this example, 5 numbers will be generated per column, so the number 5 is entered in the Number of Random Numbers box. Click on the drop-down menu next to Distribution. There are several distributions available for generating random data, including the normal, binomial, and Poisson distribution. For this example, the uniform distribution is to be used, so choose Uniform. Under Parameters, enter one or more parameter values that are required to characterize the selected distribution. For example, a normal distribution is characterized by the mean and the standard deviation. For the uniform distribution, a lower bound and an upper bound is required. For this example, the default values of 0 to 1 will be used as the lower and upper bounds respectively for this uniform distribution. In the random seed box, by leaving it blank or entering 0, a different sequence of random numbers will be generated each time you use the random number generation tool. If a positive integer value is entered, the same sequence of random numbers will be generated each time you use the random number generator tool. For the output range, the randomly chosen values will be placed in columns A and B starting in cell A1. Select the Output Range option, then click the button to the right of the Output Range box, then select cell A1 and then click Enter to return. Then click OK. The randomly generated values from a uniform distribution are contained in the worksheet in cells A1 through B5.